Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some very nice conditions out there this morning, high pressure in control. We have moderating temperatures for the afternoon with highs in the lower 70s across the Delmarva Peninsula. We'll have a cold front moving through the region tonight. It's going to provide us with just a wind shift and also some cooler temperatures moving in for our Wednesday. Overall, going to be a dry cold front as it moves through. Possibility of a brief sprinkle across the central portions of the Delmarva Peninsula. Here at Wallops, we should be seeing dry conditions with that cold front passage. Last 24 hours across the Mid-Atlantic region, seeing slightly below average temperatures for highs yesterday. Wallops was at 58 degrees. Norfolk at 61 was a warm spot. Most of the locations in the lower 60s, the upper 50s. Across the region last night, we saw temperatures drop into the 40s and even some upper 30s across the central portions of the Delmarva Peninsula. Salisbury at 38 degrees, that was a cool spot. Here at Wallops, we are at 46. No precipitation across the region last 24 hours. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing anywhere from partly cloudy to sunny skies. Temperatures rebounding into the mid-50s in general. Here at Wallops, we saw 56 degrees under sunny skies as of 9 a.m. Looking at our sounding from this morning, we have a freezing level at 9,200 feet. Winds out of the southwest at 22 knots at 1,000 feet. Remain about 20 to 30 knots up to 9,000 feet out of the southwest to west-southwest. Then we have a westerly wind once we move up in the atmosphere at 25,000 feet with a peak wind at 55 knots. Looking at our surface analysis as well as our surface observations this morning, I see a southwesterly flow across the region around 8 to 13 knots today. Our temperatures are rising into the mid-50s, seeing 60 degrees as of 10 o'clock as the briefing time period this morning. Not going to see any precipitation across the region today, and just some upper level cloudiness and a little bit of mid-level cloudiness off to our south. Looking at our surface analysis across the continental United States, seeing area of low pressure across the Great Lakes and a cold front extending southward and westward from that area of low pressure. It's going to be passing through our region this evening. Before that does occur, we'll have high pressure remaining in control of our weather and giving us nice and warm conditions today across the Mid-Atlantic region. Looking at our prog charts the next few days, this is our Tuesday midday planner. We'll have southwesterly flow ahead of this cold front for this afternoon. As it moves through, we'll see those winds switch northwesterly overnight, and that will affect a colder air mass into our region for our Wednesday. And looking at our Wednesday morning, we'll have mostly clear skies across the region. Could be seeing a little bit of cloud cover, especially across the southern tip of the Delmarva Peninsula with some bay effect streamers or cumulus clouds moving over that region. Moving to our Wednesday afternoon, you're going to see high pressure building in from the Great Lakes, giving us below average temperatures for this time of year across the area with the highs in the mid-50s, mostly sunny skies in general. And for our Thursday, we'll have increasing upper level cloudiness across the region as a upper level trough starts to dig into the Ohio Valley, also the southeast, with an area of low pressure developing along the Gulf Coast. That's going to be providing us with some unsettled conditions as we move into Friday afternoon, late Friday afternoon into Saturday morning. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a green chart across the board. No chances of precipitation or lightning, looking like only about a 5% chance of sprinkle, or 5 to 10% chance of sprinkle here at Wallops around 8 to 9 o'clock this evening. High around 71 degrees today with a low of 45 tonight. Southwesterly winds 8 to 13 knots. Tonight we'll see northwesterly winds 7 to 12, gusting possibly 17 early in the overnight time period. And then towards tomorrow morning we'll see northwesterly winds increasing to 9 to 14 knots, gusting up to 20 knots. Our 24-hour terminal forecast will have mostly sunny skies today with an increase of upper-level cirrus cloudiness. When we move into the evening hours, we'll see a possibility of a broken deck at 6,000 feet. Move past 6 o'clock or 1800 local tonight. And then for the overnight time period, we'll see mostly clear skies once again with tides normal for this time period. And looking at Wednesday and the Thursday, we'll see Wednesday partly cloudy skies, cooler conditions, and breezy winds, a high of 56 degrees. Yellow for our winds on Wednesday with possibility of winds near that 25 knot criteria. Wednesday night we'll have mostly clear skies, partly cloudy skies, and cold temperatures, a low of 39 degrees. And for Thursday we'll see mostly sunny skies in the morning, becoming partly cloudy in the afternoon and evening. Unseasonably cool, have a high of 55 degrees. Looking at our next 7 days, we'll have the warmest temperature today at 71 degrees, a low of 45 tonight. Wednesday and Thursday will be below normal in the mid-50s for highs. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies both Wednesday and Thursday. A low of 39 on Thursday morning, and a low of 40 on Friday morning. And then we'll see increase of cloud cover throughout the day on Friday. See a good chance of rainfall as we move into the evening on Friday, a high of 58, and we'll actually see an early overnight low of Friday of 55 degrees, and then temperatures most likely warming during the overnight time period into the upper 50s on Saturday. Saturday we could be seeing some warmer conditions across the region with temperatures in the 60s. It all depends on area low pressure moving through the region and where that low actually tracks. Right now it looks like temperatures should be in the lower 60s to upper 50s across the region. Really depends on the exact track of that low for Saturday. If it does move west of our region, we'll see temperatures in the mid 60s. And Sunday we'll see a break in the rainfall most likely, especially during the morning hours into the afternoon hours. A chance of rainfall once again we move into Sunday evening, and then we'll have another chance of rainfall on Monday. So an unsettled weather pattern once we move past Friday with an upper level trough of our region. And we'll see highs in general slightly below average as we move into the beginning portion of next week. That's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.